Hi, thanks for joining in and welcome to Southbridge. This video will demonstrate how to convert CSV file into an Excel file in Node.js. You may download the source code in the link in the description box. So we have a CSV file here with 100 rows. It is just a dummy data. Now let's install the csv-to-xlsx Node JavaScript package from Aternus. We can now initialize the Node Package Manager. Now let's use the path package. After that, let's require the csv-to-xlsx package. Now let's specify the path and the file name of our CSV file using the path.join method. Let's also specify the path and the file name of the output Excel file. Now let's use the convert CSV to Excel and we'll provide the source and the destination variables. Now it's time to run the app.js file. Finally, here is the Excel file. So that's it. That's how you can convert CSV file to an Excel file in Node.js. See you in the next video. Thanks.